welcome to Easy to Learn. Now we are going to learn about how we can code a stack.
Hi guys, hope you are enjoying our videos and learning DS in animated way. Now we are going to learn about how to code a stack using arrays. How a stack looks like. The stack looks like something like this. As we have already discussed about stack, I am not going into the details completely. So the top value here is 10. Now we will start step by step. We have included the header file here. First we will design this container. Let us see what are the different kind of operations that we can do on it. Now we have two options to store elements. The first one is arrays and the other one is linked list. I will consider arrays here because linked list will be tough for beginners. In the next video, let us learn about linked list. Now I have defined an array with size 5. When we say array, most of the times we the programmers think like this. But if you can imagine an array in a rotated way, that is like this, then it simply looks like a stack. Right, here is the top. Now container is created. We always use top equal to -1 for an empty stack, and you may get it out why top is a variable, not a pointer. We know that a pointer is a variable that stores the address of another variable, but here top is a variable, not a pointer. The reason is its value changes, and top will act as index for an array. If you are confused, don't worry, keep watching. You will understand it completely. We can use pointer too, but it will be complicated. Let us look at the value here. We can perform 3 operations. They are insert, delete and display. So let's code insert first. So for that, we'll create a function insert. So here is a function or method insert. Now we'll input the value from the user. So this is the statement which will ask the user to enter some value. Here that is defined as num, which is of integer data type. Okay. Now again there are 3 conditions for insert operation. Let us look one by one. First, the stack might be empty. So for all empty stacks, we always use top is equal to -1. The reason is, if top is equal to 0, then it indicates index of 0. So for all empty stacks, we generally assign -1 value to top. So top is incremented here and the value is assigned to top. Suppose the user wants to insert 10 in stack and the stack is empty. Top is equal to -1 and we initialize value of top as I mentioned just now. So I want to insert a value of 10 into index 0. So that's why we check if it is an empty, true, then it will go into the body of the if condition. So it will be incremented. So now the index value is equal to 0. And now we have an assignment statement that is assigning the number to array of top, which means array of 0 is equal to 10. Simple. So we have inserted a value into an empty stack. The second condition is the stack might be full. So here, else if top is equal to 4, we simply write the stack is full, which means we can't insert any more values. We'll only just print that the stack is full. Third one, let us suppose the stack is neither full nor empty. It's between a value. Now, we simply increment the top and assign the value to the top. Suppose the user wants to add 40, then we simply increment the top. Now the top is equal to index 3 and we assign a value of 40 there. That's it. So we have completed insert. Now let us look into delete. Okay, so this is a method called remove, which returns nothing, and here also we got two conditions. The first one, the case may be the stack is empty. When stack is empty, we can't remove anything. So we simply print the stack is empty here. The second case, a regular condition.
Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.